In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Beehiiv newsletter templates. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Beehiiv is a fantastic platform for managing newsletters, and creating custom templates can help you stand out and deliver your content effectively. Let's dive right in. First, the very first step you need to take is to log into your Beehiiv account. If you're new to Beehiiv, you'll need to create an account by signing up using your email address and following the verification link sent to your inbox. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll be welcomed by a user-friendly dashboard. Now, right from the dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new newsletter. Click on that and you'll find yourself in the newsletter editor interface. This is where the fun begins. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a blank canvas where you can design your newsletter. The first thing you want to do is to set a foundation for your template. Think about the kind of layout you want. Are you leaning towards a single-column format, or do you prefer a multi-column design? For most newsletters, a single-column layout is user-friendly and mobile-compatible. However, a multi-column layout works better for some types of content. Next up, it's time to add some headers. A catchy header can grab your readers' attention right away. Click on the header section and type in your newsletter title. Remember, you want it to reflect the content or theme of your newsletter. You can also personalize the font style and size here. Adjusting colors and adding images or logos can make your newsletter look professional and cohesive. So don't hesitate to play around with these settings until you find something that resonates with your brand identity. Now that you've got a header in place, it's time to fill in the body of your newsletter. You can add different types of content blocks, such as text sections, images, videos, and buttons. To do this, simply click on the Add Block option. For text, you can type in your articles or updates. This is your space to convey your message effectively. If you're including images, make sure they are high quality and relevant to your content. A picture might be worth 1,000 words, but it should also align with the overall feel of the newsletter. Also, keep in mind to use a mix of visuals and text to keep your readers engaged. You can also add call-to-action buttons. These are crucial for driving engagement. If you want your readers to visit your website, register for an event, or check out products, make sure your buttons are visible and enticing. Click on the Buttons option in the block menu, then customize the text to encourage interaction, like Learn More or Shop Now. After you've crafted your body content, it's a good idea to include a footer. The footer can contain your contact information, social media links, and an unsubscribe link. This is essential for maintaining good communication with your subscribers and following best practices. Now, once you have everything packed into your newsletter, take a moment to preview your work. Click on the Preview button to see how your template looks on both desktop and mobile screens. It's essential to make sure everything appears as it should and that there are no awkward gaps or misaligned elements. If you're happy with the design, go ahead and save it as a template. You can do this by navigating to the Template option, naming your template, and clicking Save. This way, you can reuse it for future newsletters, saving you a lot of time down the road. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Beehiiv newsletter template. Remember to experiment with different styles and layouts as you grow more familiar with the platform. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy newsletter creating.